Guys, it's really windy, but it's beautiful. I love it. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Timothy. Oh my god. So if today is the first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, click the like button as well as the notification bell. Guys, I just picked the kids from school and it's a raining day, though not so heavy. Okay guys, get into the car. I know you don't like it. I know. Okay, this way. Hello guys, we are in.
Can I?
Okay, go wash your hands guys, then come and have your lunch. Okay, what do you have? What do you want to have for lunch?
I don't want cookies right now.
Cookies. Okay.
Yeah, I have cookies.
Okay guys, so I'm going to be talking on the differences between a food processor and a blender, because I've been getting some comments regarding that, and I've decided to make this video since Black Friday is approaching, so it will help you guys make decision on what to purchase. So I have Vitamix Blender right in front of me, which came with 2 smoothie cups. Guys, permit me, I have smoothie in there already, and 1 jar for blending, and also the smoothie adapter. And right here is Ninja products, and this is a food processor jar for the Ninja. So this is 2 in 1. It's both a blender and a food processor, but this is the bottle for blending, and it also has 2 jars, 2 cups for smoothie. We're going to compare these 2 devices using some 7 items I listed out already. So the first we're going to be talking about is our pepper. So if you want a smooth pepper, you rather go for a good blender and not a food processor. So a food processor cannot give you a smooth pepper. But if you want to grate your pepper, you can either use your blender for grating your pepper, or use your food processor to grate your pepper. So that's about pepper. So the next one will be going to crushing an ice. So you can use both to crush. A good blender will crush your ice for you, and a good food processor will crush your ice for you. So the next one I'll be talking about now is dough. So when you're baking and you need to make a dough, you can use this for your bread dough, your meat pie, your puff dough. Talk about anything about baking, about dough. You can definitely use your food processor for that, but you cannot use your blender to make a dough. So now we go to the 4th one, which is smoothie. You can use a good blender to make a smoothie. Aside that, they came with their own smoothie cups. You can actually use this jar to make a smooth smoothie, but you cannot use a food processor to make a smoothie. This jar cannot make a smoothie. Even if you have the metal blade in it, it can't make a smoothie. So the next one we'll go into now, which is the 5th one, is our veggies. So we can actually use a food processor to shred our veggies, to grate it, to crush it, but we cannot use our blender to shred or chop or grate our veggies. So a food processor can do that for you. And the next one we'll go into is beans. So you can use your food processor to peel your beans. You can also use a blender. You have to take care and precaution when using your blender to peel your beans. So I'm talking about beans when you need to make moi moi or akara. That's bean cake. So you can use this conveniently to peel your beans, but you have to be careful when you are using your blender. But when it comes to blending your beans and making it smooth, you can use your food blender, to blend your beans, and it's going to blend it smoothly. But mind you, not all blenders can blend beans smoothly. Even pepper, not all blender would blend your pepper, your beans smoothly. But when you have a good one, it should blend your beans smoothly. But you cannot use this to blend a beans. It can only peel the beans for you, or it's going to break it into two, but it's not going to blend your beans smoothly. And the last but not the least is your whipped cream. So when you need to make ice cream, or you need to whip your butter for cake and all that, you can definitely use your food processor to make your ice cream, to whip your cream and your butter. But you cannot use your food process, your food, excuse me, you cannot use your blender to whip your cream, or to whip your butter. Okay guys, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you on the difference between a blender and a food processor. Thank you guys for watching, and if you do want me to talk about brands of blenders or food processor, you can definitely leave a comment and I'll definitely talk about it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please do leave a comment. Also subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Kindly share the video with family and friends, and also click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.